What's up, everybody? So as you can see from the front facing camera there, I got a new helmet. I got me a Icon airflite, and this is my test of it. I just set it up this morning. Hopefully it works good. It's gonna be kind of my test and review of it. The other day, I got it from Dell's Honda, or Dell Power Sports here in Blue Springs. Like I said, I got it Friday. Friday night, I ended up being able to ride my buddy's 636, and this fucking thing worked great. Like, no noise, no nothing. I'm on the Harley now, and already I can tell there is a lot more noise on the Harley than there is the 636. But it's not as bad as my variant. The only other thing I can tell right now is it's been so long since I've had a side mounted camera. Man, I can feel it really pulling on me. Might have to look at something different. I still got enough room up here. I can move that camera all the way up here. They do sell chin mounts for GoPros for these, and they clip right in down here at the bottom, and they stick to the bottom of the visor. But I don't want to be like popping my visor and y'all looking at the fucking sky. I like to ride with my visor open a lot, so. But I can still move it way down here. It might fuck with my eyes a little bit, I don't know. But right now I can already feel it's starting to, it does pull on me a little bit being on the side. And it's because I'm not used to it. But so far, this helmet is pretty fucking nice. I've wanted one ever since they came out, and I just never pulled the trigger because I like having shit mounts. I also got me a new pair of Alpine Blues too. But this helmet is like so fucking light, and it's very, very quiet. I mean, it's, like I said, it's a little bit louder now than it was the other night when I rode on that 636. But it's still a pretty quiet helmet. I gotta reset my scene up. I can't hear it. So I didn't get the speakers exactly in the right spot. Or something's going wrong with my Cena and it's just not getting very loud. Quick update. I did get my gallbladder out. I know some people already know that, but it's gone. No more pain, no more bullshit. I can eat whatever the fuck I want again. And I have been eating whatever the fuck I want. So that's good and awesome, and I'm really feeling a lot better now. Never had a pair of gloves like these before, and man, there is a break-in period, I can tell you that. These some bitches are stiff. Yeah, right now I'm pretty damn excited about this helmet. I really am. So far I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, come on. I'm gonna jump off that damn highway up here. I should have jumped off right there. Fuck. Right 2 lanes closed ahead. They better let me exit. Guess I should have known that this shit was gonna happen. I'm definitely gonna have to, I can feel it in my triple trees, my neck. I can definitely feel there's a stiffness there. You know, I've checked those before and they always felt good, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to change those. Yeah, they don't feel good at all. Some don't feel right. Anyways, this is exactly why lane splitting should be legal. It does suck when you get into this bullshit. People get dumb and retarded and angry and act stupid. Like that dumbass up there just now just getting over in the lane that's closing. And this dumbass right here trying to speed up. Well, if you're watching this video, then I got my camera placement, my audio, and everything's good. And I didn't have to readjust it and remake this video. That damn road construction, I've been at work right now already. I'd have been there. That damn road construction, fucking bullshit. They don't do it there today, you know, because rush hour traffic, but they sure do make a mess of traffic at night doing it. Bastards. I'm bitching, but I know it needs to be done, because I-70 there, it's been a long time since they've done any kind of road work to it, at least out in this area. Sometimes it's nice to take back roads to work, but I'm more of a, I want to hurry up and get there. I know y'all are like, what the fuck's wrong with you? It's work. Why would you want to hurry up and get there? Because that's just the person I am. I want to be like, get to work, no problems. Make sure I'm there, I'm not late or anything. These people that leave at the very last minute to get to work and then walk in at time to clock in, you know, they're still walking in all, oh, fucking tired, blah, blah, blah. It's like, yeah, get up a little bit early, leave a little bit early, give yourself a chance to wake up and get moving. And then if something goes wrong, you've got extra time, so you end up not being late. We get so many people late because they do that shit. They wait till the very last minute to leave for work, and then they run into traffic, or, you know, McDonald's drive-thru line takes a little bit longer than usual, so they'll end up being late for work over some dumb shit because people can't wake up earlier and get to work earlier. I don't know. That's a quick rant. So anyways, back to my helmet. Like I said, right now I'm really impressed with it. And even if, you know, I still got to check my video, check my audio, and see what everything sounds like, see what everything looks like, make sure I got my camera right, and all that other bullshit. But I'm really impressed with this helmet. It's so light, and it's not a variant ripping back on my head. It's like, because I never noticed the variant ripping back on my head because of the visor. But now that I'm wearing this helmet, it's like, oh my God, is this what it's like to not have your head ripped back? But I do miss my variant. I love that thing. I left my attachments for my GoPro on there, but I mean, I don't have an extra mic or anything in there, so, you know, I don't know if I'll ever use it for motovlogging again. I might buy in a couple. The mic is only 20 bucks. I mean, and that's all I need is just another mic. Slap it back in there. Put my GoPro in the mount and do vlogs on it again if I want to do them, you know, every now and again. Going down a little bit too far, hit the case. But oh well, it happens. I haven't dragged pegs in a while, or floorboards anyways. I won't go ahead and call this one. So, just my quick overview of wearing this helmet for 2 rides. I'm thoroughly pleased. I really enjoy it. I like it very much. Don't forget that hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share, comment. Definitely don't forget about, I've got this 500 sub challenge going on with Leaky Spike It. I'm at 452, and last time I checked, it's been quite a few days, he was at 436. So I'm in the lead. Everybody do what you can to help me get to that 500, so I can make him do something super embarrassing. But anyways, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.